Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my version for Trini BBQ chicken. It's very simple, very easy to put together, and it's going to be packed with a lot of flavor. So if you'd like to see how to make some Trini BBQ, keep watching. So to start this recipe, I already have my chicken washed and cleaned, and to that I'm adding in salt. Now put salt according to how much you have in your diet or you use in your diet, along with some black pepper, and smoked paprika goes in next. And I'm using barbecue seasoning. This one is from Karibbean Flavours. It has a really nice distinct flavor with all of those spices in there. In goes some soy sauce. Next goes in green seasoning, which is a Trinidadian staple, and you must add this. Next, I'm going to grate in some fresh ginger. I always love putting fresh ginger when I barbecue. It just enhances the flavor of the meat. Now, using your hands, go in and start mixing, massaging all of those seasonings well into the chicken. If you use a spoon, it's not going to do the same job. You really need those seasonings to get in there. After it's massaged, place it in a bowl, cover, and refrigerate. I refrigerate it overnight for the best flavor. You can refrigerate for a few hours. Next, on medium-low heat, I'm going to add in my pieces of chicken, because I like to steam the chicken, because these chicken pieces are so huge that I like to pre-cook it so that when it goes on the grill, it does not dry out. So I'm going to steam them for 15 minutes. I'll turn them while they're steaming, but initially you'd want to cover it and allow it to go for like around 7 minutes. Then go ahead and check on it and give it a flip. You want to ensure that both sides are cooked properly. And once it's finished cooking, you can take it out and set it aside. Now you notice I did the legs first. After I did the legs, I did the wings, because the wings were a little smaller than the legs. You don't want to put different size meats because some would finish cook before some. So that's why I did the legs first. So I'm going to continue with steaming off the wings next. And then once we're done, you'll just set that aside. In the meantime, while the wings are steaming, let's make our barbecue sauce. So to make the barbecue sauce, I'm using some Karibbean Flavours Jerk BBQ sauce for this. If you wanted to use their regular barbecue sauce, you can. I love their barbecue sauces. It's really amazing. So empty that into a pot, and next I'm going in with their ketchup, because I also love their ketchup. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see me talking about their ketchup a lot. Next, go in with some Worcestershire sauce. And next goes in some A1 steak sauce. All you have to do now is add in some more of that barbecue seasoning, because we want to bring all of those flavors in the sauce that we put in the chicken. Next, I'm going to add in some more of that green seasoning. I always like to add some fresh green seasoning in my barbecue sauce, and I'm going to give that a mix. Now, you can heat this on your stove if you like, but I choose not to. Now it's time to put the chicken on the grill. So I'm using hardwood charcoal here, guys. Use whatever you have on hand. And I'm adding on the chicken, and you'll notice that I don't put barbecue sauce right away. So I'm going to place the chicken, and I'm going to allow them to start to get that smoky flavor from the charcoal. Allow it to get charred on both sides before we start adding on that barbecue sauce. So I would say after you put it on the grill, allow it to cook there for about 15 minutes. You would flip it halfway through that 15 minutes. Now you'll notice when I turn the pieces over, you'll see that smoky look on the chicken. That's what we're going for. That's going to impart more flavor in your chicken and in those pieces. And you can do the same technique for any other types of meat that you're grilling or barbecuing. Now I'm going to go ahead and baste with my barbecue sauce the side that we flipped. So the other side now is going to begin to smoke and char. So you want to coat all of your pieces evenly. Now after you coat them, you're going to flip the chicken pieces over again, and now that the other side has been smoked and charred, you're going to add your barbecue sauce to that side now. This is just the way that I like doing it. I find I get the best flavor, the best result, the best taste from doing it this way. And after you do that, you continue to flip again so that it's charred evenly on all sides with that sauce. That sauce is going to get really ooey, gooey, sticky and delicious. And once it's done, all you have to do is take them out and place them into your bowl and serve. So how easy was that, guys? I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, let me know down below what you think. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please remember to like, share, and if you're not subscribed yet, I hope you subscribe. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified of all my new videos. Thank you all again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.